He is the greatest athlete the world has never seen. He floats through the air like an angelic angel and dunks the ball like the fury of Thor's hammer. Michael Jordan who? He is the FNG, the master of his driveway.
You get 3 shots. If you make it, I'll give you $20.
Deal.
The champ looks ready to rumble. Time to put Pops in his place. Here comes the first attempt.
Man!
2 more shots. Give it all you got.
The champ goes with the hand to the head strategy. Juke move.
Yes! I outsmarted you! I used you as a prop. You got beat by an 8-year-old.
You just got beat by an 8-year-old.
It's like 3rd grade again all over.